Alright, here we go. My nose is freaking... I think it's just the comet. We all blocked anyway. Oh, no way. Welcome to the club. Girl, we need to stop talking at this point before we get our ass dragged. Now we Oh no, I love what's talking about me. Guys, we're just being messy now. Let's be quiet. Girl, they're probably fucking watching already. They are quick. Anyway, what are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? I don't like hand mixing a lot. I tried already. I don't like hand mixing a lot. I like squeezing. Going to the loss. Nice. I'm going to my mom's too. We're traveling. Oh, nice. Look at this. Do you want to add? I do. I have an xtrapine for 12. If you want to add a whole jug of xtrapine, I have one for 12. It's a big bottle too. It's bigger than the pinesol one. It'll be 12. It'll be 12 for a big jug of xtrapine. If somebody wants to send 12, we can add it right now. If not, it's okay. Just let me know. Did you sell out of pinesol? Yeah, we are sold. Safi, we are completely sold out. No comet, no Ariel, no Roma, no pinesol. My hair is white, girl. I'm gonna have to take a nice shower after this. Your girl is gonna take a shower right after this. I need to get in here. The kitty's good. She's doing better. I fucking feel like my arm is gonna fall out. It's probably from all the hand mixing. I have xtrapine if anybody's interested. If not, it's totally cool because I already sold out all the pinesol is sold out. Hold on, let me see if we got a restriction. Nope, we are still good. I sent. Oh my gosh, this is so much better. This is way better. Well, this is a good way to leave because I'm leaving for a whole week for vacation. This is nice. Thank you guys. Thank you for selling me out. Thank you, ladies. I appreciate all of you. Did we add pinesol? We add all the pinesol. We added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We added 10 jugs of pinesol, all sold out. 10, 11. I think there's 11 or 12 that we added. I think I have some in the bag already. Thank you, Michelle, for the hearts. This is gonna stay in the tote for a week, correct? This is staying in here until I come back.
And my iPad's gonna be staying like that for 5 weeks.
No, there's a plastic bag on it.
I'm like, does my iPad really look like that? I'm so bored.
I have Venmo. Nikki, pass me that paper over there on the table. Yes, I do have Venmo.
Which paper?
Look, in the table. That's not the table. That's the counter.
This table.
The white paper that's on the table. Oh my God. Go upstairs, honey, please.
What color's the table?
It's the white paper on the table. Why are you going to the kitchen? The table's right here. Right behind me. The white paper on the table.
It's the table.
Go upstairs, Nicole. You got it? Okay. Yes, it's I love ASMR. I totally forgot what it is. She really is. She's staring at it too. I said on the table, she's walking to the sink. Like, bro, what?
Actually, what white table? I don't see no white table.
Help me.
Okay, bye.
I used to do that as a kid. Oh my fucking god, it's annoying. Every kid ever. I swear. Huh? Which one? Where? Thank you. I'm gonna start doing that to them to watch. Husband too. Even him. Fucking asshole. Including him. Fucking. Oh my god. Can you dig deep? I want to, but look, I'm already getting a burn. And my gloves are not that long, so I'm gonna have to grab something. Oh man. Oh, that's gonna hurt. When I get in the shower. Look, it's already burning. Do you guys see how red it is now? Mm-hmm. Felt. Yeah, I wish I can dig, like, put my hand all the way in, but my arm is, yeah, I'm not gonna risk my arm. What do you smell the most? Pinesol, extrapine with Lesty. So I can still smell the Lest oil with the pinesol a lot. I smell pinesol the most. But I can also smell the Lest oil and the extrapine. I can smell the Ariel. I also smell Ariel in here. It smells good. I know there's powder right here. I don't want to use my cooking spoons. Anyway, thank you, ladies. Thank you for this beautiful overload. Thank you. For everyone who did send, I appreciate you guys for sending, for making this happen. Thank you so much. It's okay, don't sweat it, babe.